guys, it's me, Alexander, and this is what I like to say to the community. Yes, the community, everyone watching, not even my subscribers, not even my views. Everyone, stay safe. Stay good. Because, stay safe. Because snowstorm is out. Can you guys see it? Yeah, snowstorm. I just wanted to make this video. So, I just wanted to make this speech so everyone can have a great day, not dying by the snowstorm and stuff. Because my dad actually showed me a video of people dying from the snowstorm. So, whenever your kid tries to tell you to not to come to your house when there's a snowstorm, do not go. Do not go. Because that's the thing you're trying to avoid from dying. The snowstorm is a thing you're trying to ignore, trying to avoid it, and trying your best, trying to not go out there. There's a lot of snow. Snowstorm is out there. It's covering up the whole entire ground and stuff. People couldn't move their cars, so couldn't drive their cars because snow's up underneath their cars, so they have to remove it. But there's a big snowstorm in a country. I forgot its name, but people in that country where there's a big snowstorm, do not go anywhere. Just wait for the snowstorm to end, and you can go somewhere, guys. And you can go meet your family, you can spend time, you can spend everything in the weekend. So yeah, guys, do not go anywhere when there's a snowstorm.